Hello everyone and welcome to our 7th series of HIIT.
So in today's circuit, we are going to do 6 exercises with 20 seconds each and 10 seconds of rest. So starting from push-ups. So let's start. 20 seconds of push-ups.
And 10 seconds of rest.
Ready.
So here if you are not able to do the full body push-up, you can start with the knee push-up. Likewise, you can just give a support and go down. If still you find difficulty, you can start with wall push-up as well. And then slowly and gradually, when you will gain the strength, you can come to the knee push-up and then to the full body push-up. And for the next level, you can also go to incline push-ups.
So the second exercise is going to be standing squats.
But the intensity is going to be a little fast.
Yeah, so it's going to be fast-paced squats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
Try to do it faster. And for the people, sometimes you are not able to do squats properly. So in that way, if you have, what you can do, you can just keep a chair and just try to sit on the chair. Just touch the chair a little bit and then get up. Touch the chair a little bit and then get up. Right? But still, if you feel lack of balancing because you have problem in your knee or your obese, you can also take the support of these handles and just touch the handle a little bit. Take the support, go down and get up. Go down and get up. Slowly and gradually, if you'll keep practicing this, you will gain your strength and one day you'll be able to do the full body push-up on your own.
So remember,
keep practicing.
So remember, it's 20 seconds of this exercise and then 10 seconds of rest. Alright guys, so it's third exercise going to be lunge jump. So it's the form of lunges which we do, but in the form of jump like this.
Alright.
Okay, so this exercise we have to do for 20 seconds again.
And rest for 10 seconds again.
Let's start. 1, 2, 3.
Now, if you're feeling some problem in the balancing, you can just do, like the simple lunges you can do, all right? But still you feel, again, that there's problem in balancing. Again, you can take the support of a chair, hold the chair, and just try to do static lunge. Slowly and slowly, you will feel that strength, you'll gain that strength back, and then you can start with simple lunge walk, and then later you can do jumps.
So guys, this is especially for those guys who already have a problem with the back or legs and they are unable to do these exercises, maybe because they are obese, they are overweight. So you can use these techniques and still be able to do these exercises and gradually improve your strength in such exercises.
Moving on to the next exercise is mountain climber, but at a faster pace. So just try to do it as fast as you can.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. A very good exercise for the core. 20 seconds and 10 seconds of reps.
Moving on to the next exercise is spot running. Try to do it at a higher pace because this will help you to build your endurance. So just try to run as fast as you can.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Keep running.
So guys, this is the last exercise of the circuit, which is burpees. So 20 seconds of burpees, and then this finishes your 1 lap. For the beginners, at least do 2 laps, and as your strength and endurance improves, go up to 2, 3 and 4 laps. So starting the burpees, take the position.
At faster pace.
And burpees has to be done as fast pace as well. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go. Keep going.
This finishes the circuit. 1 lap, at least do 2 laps, go up to 2, go up to 3, 4, more than that. Once your strength improves, do leave your feedback in the comment section. How are you enjoying this series of HIIT?
Yeah, and do try this fast pace, fast HIIT session and enjoy.